not me. That's someone else.
I'm putting the developer right now, which
You're
is
putting
like,
the developer.
this is what lightens your hair a little bit, so that
Yeah.
you can, so that it'll actually pick up the red instead of it being completely on dark hair.
Yeah. So my daughter is mixing the product he's gonna put to my hair, and it's the first time I am dyeing my hair. I never did that in all my life, so it's gonna be the first time. So
That's crazy.
let's see. Yeah, that's crazy. A lot of people do that, but
First time dyeing your hair.
yeah, I always
After 4 kids.
after 4 kids. That's crazy. Yeah. So I always like put a wig on my head, braid my hair, leave it there like the way it is. But I never ever think about, doing that. So my daughter, she is the first person who's gonna do Mama's hair.
I used to dye my hair red too.
Look. So
used to-
that is gonna be. That's the color. Okay.
Well, it's gonna get darker.
Is okay. So should I stop and then we restart again the video? I stop the video. We're gonna restart again the video. Yeah.
Yeah, you can. It's gonna get a lot darker than this.
Okay. Alright guys, I'll see you next time, and when she's gonna put it in my head, I will show you how she's doing that, okay? How it looks like.
Yeah. It's pretty light right now, but it gets darker. I kind of wish I got you L'Oreal instead of this, but it's okay. I like L'Oreal, but this is good for really dark hair. This is the one I used first time.
Oh, okay. What is the name of this?
This is called High Color.
Oh, okay. Okay guys, so we see you very soon. Okay.
Last time I did this, I stained my fingers.
You just have to do it fast before your sister keep asking.
And finally I can.
Yeah, but quand you do it fast, you mean your whole head?
Yeah.
But I thought you wanted to spot.
No, put the cream. You want to put the cream first.
Cream where?
In all of my hair.
Oh yeah.
The first time I'm doing my hair, and I never did that, so I just trusting my daughter. I know she's gonna do a good job. But if it didn't work, it's fine. I can shave my hair. It's hair come, so it's gonna grow again. Even though it's gonna take forever to grow, but it's gonna grow. So
sorry.
Let's try it. Just put it. I don't mind. You don't have to test anything.
Okay, because I don't want you to be allergic. You said you
if I am allergic, it's fine.
Until your head turns red. And it's not just your face.
Like I did, like the girl who put the gorilla
glue.
Gorilla gel.
My hair.
You remember that girl?
Yes, my hair don't move, Sid. Okay. I just don't like it.
So guys, wish me good luck with this first time. I hope it is recording, yeah?
Let me
I think it's recording.
I feel like it tells you when it stops, right? Yeah, it's been recording.
Yeah, so wish me good luck. My daughter is doing my hair, and let's see how it's gonna go. First time doing my hair.
Do you want me to just pause it or no?
No, just keep going. Show them how you do it so they can. Some of them they learn how doing the hair.
I mixed 30 developer with half a vial of red and then half a vial of H9 Red Hot from High Color, and I mixed 30 developer. I did about half.
Did they see you when you're standing up like that?
Yeah, because they can see you down there. At least they can see not my face, but my hand.
At least they hear your voice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, I'm gonna pull this.
Okay, guys, there we go. Wish me good luck. Because
I'm just gonna apply
God knows how it's gonna turn.
God knows.
Yeah. The first time, God forgive me, you sent me this world with natural hair, but I'm gonna dye my hair. So
you weren't born with red hair?
I was born with black hair, whatever hair. So now I'm putting my hair red. So God forgive me if I put my hair red. I just want to change something. And I told me, no, you're born like this, and why are you changing? Don't judge me.
Everyone dyes their hair these
Yeah, guys, please don't judge me. It's first time for my life after having 4 kids. Guys, pray for me, okay? That everything is going fine with my first time I'm doing this. So guys, pray for me that it's gonna look good on my head, okay?
I feel felt like a clown when I dyed my hair red, but that's because they bleached it and it was
Guys, I don't want to look like Tom.
You're not gonna look like a... I said I felt like a clown.
Yeah.
But that's just because mine was bleached under. So yours are not gonna be bleached, that's better. It's gonna be less.
When you see me, just compliment me. Say, oh girl, your hair. Yes, don't say anything like, oh, who did your hair?
Oh,
no. She's telling me, girl, your hair looks so nice, so cute. Who did it? And then I'm gonna be so proud telling you that was my daughter did that. Okay?
I've been doing everyone's hair in this house between Michael and you.
In the end of the year, we're gonna open a beauty salon.
I wish. Okay. Wow, I was about to go like this with my hands. Yeah, il faut juste make sure que it reached your roots. C'est tout.
How? Massage?
Yeah, moi je faisais ça avec mes cheveux. I had to make sure it reached the root. Cause
tu sais les gels que j'aime bien, les petits gels jaunes là. I wanna buy that. Ils ont ça à Walmart. Maybe I should drive the car and go buy over there. Walmart à côté.
okay.
I'm not leaving.
Kaden.
Do you remember?
You're good. Yeah.
And like
Better say it.
like movie.
Yes, the Minion movie.
Like, do you remember?
Okay.
So I stay.
And then I'm gonna put it in a bag. Oh, this bag?
Yeah.
What about it? Oh, ça va marcher comme
Yeah, open it. I don't have a big head.
Oui, on n'a pas de sac d'épicerie?
No.
Ok.
I don't have big
Tiens,
head.
tu veux le faire ou tu veux
Yeah.
le faire? Fais attention, non, tu
Sorry,
get it on
okay.
your hands.
And it was smoky.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah. Yeah, I just don't, I hope it doesn't fall off, but yeah, you will leave it until 8:20.
Wow, that's long.
Well, and then you have to go shower. Like, take it out of
8:20
the
is
shower.
long.
8:20.
Do you use shampoo or no? What did you use?
You have to wash it in cold water.
No
So
shampoo.
just cold water. You don't have to shower, you could do it in the sink.
Okay, guys. We'll come back when we're gonna go wash it in the water.
Yeah, cold water.
Okay, so I am going to wash it, my hair, guys. So my daughter told me to put only cold water. Don't open eyes, wash it with cold water. I'm gonna use this. Are you ready, guys? Let's take this out. Like this. Okay, cold water, don't open my eyes. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Okay.
Cette couleur, c'est pas pour moi.
Oh my god, guys, look! That's not me, that's someone else.
Why? Do you not like, do we need to change the color? Or?
No, it's the first time in my life driving hair and they feel like it's not me.
You're having an identity crisis?
Yeah, I change. Oh my god.
I think it's a cute color. I like it.
Guys, is it me? Okay, let me put the cream and put everything.
Yeah, and like style it.
I come back. Hey guys, I'm using Garnier. I'm trying Garnier in my hair. This, I hope it's gonna work with Garnier. Garnier usually I put in my kids' hair. I don't use it in my hair, but let's see. Oh my god, it doesn't look like me. Oh my god. I feel like I changed it. I just need a makeup. Do a makeup to see how it's gonna look like. Oh my goodness. Oil. This is the oil, I think. I don't know if my daughter put the water here. Oh, okay. Let's see. Try this one. I don't want to try this one. I'm gonna try this. Is the Garnier. Oh my god. Guys, it doesn't look like it's me, but guys, I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna try to make myself cute because it's the first time I'm doing that, and I'm coming. Oh my goodness, what did I do to my hair? I'm coming back to you guys. Oh my god, there's no go back. There's no go back, baby. Your hair is red now. You cannot. I like it. It looks nice. First time, guys. What do you think? What do you think about my new style? Haircut. It looks nice. I think my daughter did a good job. I think she did. She did a good job. Yeah. She missed a little bit here. Maybe we will do that tomorrow. It's just a little bit, but I think I can leave it like this. If you guys can see closer here. But she did a good job. What do you think, guys? About my new hair color. I like it. It looks nice. It looks cute. I'm gonna go show her because she didn't see it yet. So I'm gonna go to the living room. Let's go together. I'm gonna show her.